Hello, David with Redline Detection, the world's leader in diagnostic leak technology, here with a tech tip on false trouble codes in EVAP systems. So a car comes into your shop. You've got a check engine light to diagnose and you find a P0456 code for a small leak in the EVAP system. You do your diagnosis, grab your Total Tech, pinpoint and repair the leak, clear the code, do a road test, and give the car back to the customer. It comes back 2 weeks later with the same check engine light and a 456 code. Now maybe you misdiagnosed it and didn't see some other problem with the system, but I doubt it because you do good quality work. Maybe that same vehicle sprung another leak, which isn't terribly unusual given the mileage and age of the vehicle. One other thing to consider though, maybe that code was a false EVAP code. To understand how that can happen, let's take a quick look at a diagram for an EVAP system. Although each manufacturer will vary their system slightly, most use a system similar to this. The vehicle's computer uses the purge valve, the vent valve, and the fuel tank pressure sensor to test the integrity of the system and look for leaks. With the engine running, the vehicle's computer will close the vent valve, open the purge valve, and look for vacuum on the fuel tank pressure sensor. The computer's been pre-programmed to know how long it should take to reach a specific point of vacuum. If it sees that point, it knows that the purge valve is working, the vent valve is working, and there are no large leaks in the system. At this point, it closes the purge valve, keeps the vent valve closed, and monitors the vacuum on the system at the fuel tank pressure sensor. If it sees decay over a specific amount of time, it knows that there's a small leak. At that point, you get a P0456 code. So I mentioned that the vehicle's computer is pre-programmed with a set of data points that determine the integrity of the vehicle's EVAP system. Unfortunately, from time to time, those data points might need to be adjusted. So manufacturers will release a service bulletin and a new PCM calibration to fix the problem. So to get rid of that 456 code, you might have to reprogram the computer. So your tech tip, when you get done repairing a vehicle, it's critical to put your Total Tech back on, do the vacuum decay test to make sure there are no leaks. More importantly, make sure you're doing a service bulletin check for that same vehicle to see if there have been any updates that could be causing your code. Thanks for watching this tech tip from Redline Detection. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact one of our ASE Certified Master Technicians. See you next time.